back to another vlog. Sorry you guys about not posting Quest to Kill the Wizard today, but my friend wasn't online, and yeah, he's the host of the world. So yeah, basically I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm not gonna be having one, but on Wednesday we're gonna do a 1 hour special on it to make up for today. But yeah, tomorrow we'll be starting to have a Advanced Warfare video up tomorrow, and I'm going to be starting this new game, and you'll find out the next. But since I'm at my dad's right now, I'm at my dad's right now, so yeah, basically I'm only able to play the game at my dad's because yeah, I don't have enough space at my house, but I'll be getting some space soon. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know. And I'm with my dad every other weekend. So yeah, I'll be playing that game 2 days every other weekend. And yeah, and I'm spinning around in this chair right now. So yeah, basically it. But yeah, so let's go downstairs, say hi. Say hi to YouTube.
Oh, hey. You doing YouTube right now? Really?
What? Lord, no, do not put me on TV.
It's not TV.
What?
It's YouTube.
No, not YouTube.
Say hi, Riley. You sneezed all over the
Oh, I'm
screen.
sorry.
Say hi, Jack. Say hi. Basically, yeah, they don't even know what I was doing. So, yeah, so basically that's it. So 2 days a week, 2 days every other weekend on this new game I'm going to be starting. It'll be up tomorrow sometime. And so yeah, just wanted to make this vlog, quickly letting you guys know what's been going on. But yeah, so talk to you guys later. Bye!